Guys, welcome back to our channel Get Placed Soon. In this video I came up with this amazing opportunity called Women Code to Win 2025. This is not just for engineering students, this is not just for master students, this is for people who are pursuing bachelor's, masters, MCA, MSc or anything, and there is no restriction on branch and no restriction on CGPA. This is powered by ServiceNow and also Geeks4Geeks. To apply, the applications opened on December 12th, and the application, to register, it closes on January 22nd, which means 29 more days is there to register, but the program ends in March 15. But you have to apply by January 22nd no matter what, and the location is online. It doesn't matter how much CGPA you have, it doesn't matter which branch you belong to. If you are a girl student pursuing something like engineering or masters, then this opportunity is for you. Okay, so this is an annual program conducted by them. Like this hackathon type contest is conducted by them every single year. So why you should join? There's so many amazing things you can go through, like certifications from mentorships. You will get an opportunity to build real world solutions, real world projects, and you will get a lot of recognition, rewards, interview opportunities with ServiceNow. And I must say, the winners team, each and every single team member will be awarded Apple iPad, and in runners up team everybody will get smartwatches, and there are many opportunities, many amazing prizes as well. So it's not just that, you will go through some part of training as well before getting selected. Okay, so I'll explain you from here. There are other modules also, then you can go and check all these modules for 3 hours, 10 minutes, 30 minutes. There are 4 types of modules, and you can create your ServiceNow profile by your college university ID from this link. Okay, now let's talk about this Women Code to Win contest. All these things you can also check later. Now, as I said earlier, the registrations opened on December 12th. They end in January 22nd. So before January 22nd, you have to apply. Now, the first part is getting selected. That is training and assessment. So it's an elimination round. It also has a lot of time from January 18th to January 25th. So they will give training. You can see here in the view detail section. So from January 18th to January 24th, there will be like 5-hour self-paced training. So you can go, you can prepare, you can spend that 5 hours and you can learn. Not just that, if you can complete the introduction to ServiceNow and welcome to ServiceNow modules, you can earn micro certificate, and you can also earn ServiceNow basic certified batch. And not just that, there is one more thing. If you want to continue and if you can complete ServiceNow administrator fundamental training, the ServiceNow will provide a voucher worth $500 to attempt this exam, certified system administrator. So these certifications are extremely important, but these are not mandatory. So if you did it, it helps in your resume in your future. Certification will add a lot of weight in your resume. So yes, speaking about the exam and everything, the training will go from 18th to 24th, and you will get to learn, practice everything. On 25th of January, there will be coding assessment. And if you get shortlisted in the coding assessment, then only you will proceed to stage 2. So in this stage 1 coding assessment, it consists of 2 coding questions from core CS subjects and DSA logic. Whenever they mention core CS subjects, it might be from database management system, operating system, object oriented programming, or computer networks. And DSA is like all data structures, all algorithms, and 10 MCQ questions on ServiceNow fundamentals with negative marking, like details about ServiceNow company, all those things. Now if you get selected after the training, after you give exam, if you get selected, then you go to stage 2. Stage 2 is platform training. It is online. It's all about training. They'll help you with the 4-week training program. They will teach you so many things. There is combination of self-placed, which means you have to sit and prepare, and also instructor-led modules where you have to attend and like someone will come to you and explain. All these things will be happening in this 4-week training program. And after that, we also have bi-weekly office hours. So the shortlisted teams who are there, they can get this bi-weekly office hours, which means the people who are working in service now, they'll come to you, and if you want to talk or if you have any doubts, they will come and solve your things. And also daily sync up with mentors. Every day there is like 10-minute sync where you can discuss about your project, where you can if you need any support, you can take their support. Stage 2. So 4-week training program, both self-placed and instructor led, and in between bi-weekly office hours where you get to speak with Salesforce, where you get to speak with ServiceNow people, and there is also daily sync up with mentors where you can get additional support. Going to stage 3, that is mentorship plus application building. Here where you have to apply all the things you have learned in the training. So after completing stage 2, in the stage 3, it's all about building. It's all about building and developing the code. And you will also get the dedicated membership where the mentors will guide you, help you if you are stuck or if you need any support. They will definitely help you and reach out to you. So this is all about stage 3. And stage 4 is the grand finale presentations, where all the teams will showcase to the ServiceNow people, and this is your chance to win recognition, to get your hard work, everything. So this is all about the 4 stages. So by March 15th, this ServiceNow Women Code to Win challenge will be completed. The themes are natural language processing, that is NLP, artificial intelligence, and machine learning. It's all about data science, NLP, AI, ML, etc. Now, as I said earlier also, all the members in the group, in the team, will be getting Apple iPad. So what is group A and group E here? So these people divided final year students as group A, all the other students into group B. So if you belong to group A or group B, doesn't matter. If you are winning in group A category, you will get iPad. In group B category also, you get iPad, and each and every single team member. Similarly, for runner up also, every single team members of group A and group B will get smartwatch, and shortlisted teams will get merchandise worth 3,000 rupees. And the most important thing, all the top students or participants will be getting interview opportunities with ServiceNow. Now speaking about the most important thing, that is the rules. Eligibility criteria to all the engineering students 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, all the students across India. So they can be from bachelor's or master's in engineering or MCA, MSc. As I mentioned, no restrictions on branch, no restrictions on CGPA. Team should be consist of 3 students from the same college. One person should be the team leader. Okay, a student can be only part of one team, cannot be changed. And here comes the most important part, that is grouping. Group A teams with students graduating in 2025 only. Rest other teams are not final year students. So final year students will be considered as group A. Other branch students will be considered of group B. Here you can choose whichever year student you want. So 2025 people will team up with 2025 graduates only, but no restriction as such for 2026, 2027, 2028. They can team up with whoever they want. So for the first exam that you're going to write on January 25th, the window is open for 8 hours. The exam is for 1.5 hours. Each student will get only one attempt. The average of all the 3 participants is calculated, and that's how you get shortlisted. Okay, and all the team members must and should participate. The average team only will decide for you to go to next round or not. That's it, everything. Please apply. Please read and go through the link I'm sharing in the description. That's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Also, if you find this video helpful, then please make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. Get placed soon. Please stay tuned because we are going to share a lot of opportunities like this.